Hi, my name is Jahlissa. I'm a recent graduate from Salisbury University. I graduated with a major in communication arts, specifically media production, and a minor in marketing management. At Avery Hall Insurance Group, I'm a marketing and communications intern. My daily tasks include creating social media content. That means I edit videos, produce videos, come up with creative ideas, and create graphics for our social media accounts. I chose to intern at Avery Hall because it allowed me to combine my major and minor together, so I get to equally learn more about each field, and I'm very grateful for that. My favorite part about interning at Avery Hall is the hands-on experience I've gained. I've been able to be involved of every stage of the video production process. Before interning here at Avery Hall, I thought of insurance companies as dull and uptight, but from my experience, everyone here is very enjoyable and lively, and that's what I love most. During my internship, I hope to learn more about creating professional content and advancing my written communication skills. I've only been here for a month, but so far I've learned a lot about editing, filming, and conducting interviews. My experience here at Avery Hall will help me to attain my goal of becoming a professional in the marketing or media production industry.